Everyone is talking about the VO3 AI video generator, and some people are actually upset about this tool, saying that it will take some jobs and raise concerns about AI. However, instead of criticizing these AI tools, you should actually take advantage of them and utilize them to achieve success and make money. Let's talk about that. Basically, you can start a unique YouTube and TikTok channel using these AI tools. For example, this TikTok page has gained 30,000 followers within just a week. They only post AI videos, and some of their videos have gained millions of views. So the question is how we can actually use these AI videos to become successful and make money. Well, that's why I created this video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to start your content creation journey with the power of AI. In this video, I will show you what type of YouTube channels you can create using this AI technology. And I will show you a step-by-step process to make monetizable videos for those categories, because not all AI videos can be monetized. I'm sure that a lot of you guys have seen this channel called What If. They have 8.6 million subscribers, and they are getting millions of views daily. These videos are about hypothetical scenarios, like what if you fell into Saturn, or what if Earth became a water world. These are like hypothetical scientific scenarios. Before this AI video technology, making videos for a channel like this was very hard and complicated. Sometimes you had to even use CGI and animations for these videos. But now, with these AI videos, we can create necessary video clips for this type of channel within seconds. This is another category that you can do. This channel has gained almost 1 million subscribers with these 108 videos. And these videos are about the prehistoric world and extinct animals. We can easily create such videos using VO3 AI. Another example is this channel, which is about history. You can bring the history stories to life using AI. So these are just a few example channels. Let me show you a video I created using AI for this specific niche.
All right, let's begin the safety test.
All systems nominal. Proceeding with sequence.
April 26, 1986 wasn't just a nuclear accident. It was a chain reaction of denial, desperation, and disaster that changed the world forever.
What's that reading?
It's holding steady. Looks like we're ready for the test.
I'm going to show you guys exactly how I created that video so that you can apply this same method to any other category that you like to start as a YouTube channel. First, you need to have a video script. I'm going to use ChatGPT for that. The topic of the video is Chernobyl, the day the Earth stood still. This is about the Chernobyl nuclear disaster. What I'm going to do is use this detailed prompt. I have given all the instructions for this prompt to write a good and unique script for our video. All you need to do is copy this prompt and insert the topic you want into these bracket S, and ChatGPT will generate a unique script for you. It only took several seconds to complete the script. Now what we need to do is go to VO3 and generate all the necessary video clips. You can sign up for VO3 for free for the first month, and they will provide you with 1,000 free credits. Just go to this website and select the Try and Flow option. Then, you need to go to this Create with Flow option and sign up using your Google account. This is where all the magic happens. Now, you need to follow the next few steps carefully, if not, you will waste your credits. When it comes to creating videos with VO3, it all depends on the prompt, so you have to use the correct prompts. If we go back to our video script, in the first scene, we need to show a clip of windows shattering from an explosion. But remember, this incident happened in 1986, so we have to mention that in the prompt. If not, it's not going to match the time. So this is the prompt I'm going to use, and for this clip, I don't need voice and audio capabilities. Therefore, I'm going to use the VO2 model to save credits. This process might take up to 2 minutes. This is the video. It costs only 10 credits. Yeah, I think this is good. You can download this clip here. Make sure to download it with the highest quality. Now, when it comes to creating prompts, you can get help from ChatGPT. What I did was I asked ChatGPT to generate simple prompts to make video clips. Now, whenever I give some details about a scene, ChatGPT will give me a detailed prompt regarding that scene. I'm just going to enter this scene, which is the reactor crew at Chernobyl nuclear power plant is preparing for a safety test in 1986. And let's see whether this detailed prompt is going to make an accurate video or not. I'm just going to copy this prompt and add it here. Now for this video, I'm going to use the VO3 model, so make sure to click this setting icon and change the model. Let's see the final version.
All right, let's begin the safety test.
All systems nominal. Proceeding with sequence.
Now this is what I'm talking about. This looks absolutely amazing. So just like this, you can make prompts using ChatGPT and convert them into live action videos using VO3. This is another clip I generated, so just like this, you need to create all the necessary clips for your whole script. Now let's start the editing process. I'm going to use Filmora 14 video editor for this process because this tool has all the necessary features at one place. So it's going to be super easy for me to make the final output using this Filmora editor. You can download Filmora 14 from this website. I will leave the link in the description. Let's start the process. This tool is one of the best tools I have used. After you install this on your computer, you will come to this page, and if you click this AI toolbox option, you can see all the AI features they provide. As you can see here, we have screen recording, AI text to video, AI text-based editing, AI copywriter, and more features. It's actually easier for us as content creators to use one tool to do all the hard work. We can even use this AI copywriting tool to create scripts. You can use the same prompt I used in ChatGPT for this as well. Okay, let's start a new project. The first thing we must do is we need to generate AI voiceover for our video script. Go to this audio option from the top menu. As you can see here, we have music, AI sound effects, and all the audio feature. You just need to select the text-to-speech feature. Here we have all the available AI voices. If you want, you can record your own voice and make a clone with it. I'm not going to do that because my real voice is not that good. So I'm just going to check a few of these voices and select a good one for this video. I think this voice, called Ryan Kirk, is good. Now I'm going to copy the script part by part to this and generate the voiceovers. It's not that complicated. With the voiceover file, they also provide the caption text file, and it's really helpful because we don't have to waste our time generating captions separately. So I've completed the first 50 seconds of our script, and I'm going to edit this part first. First, I'm going to go to this stock media option and add a black background under the first part. You can move these text layers like this because we are going to add visuals under these text layers. Since this is the starting point of the video, I'm going to edit this caption part, so select the text file. Under this basic settings, you can edit the font style of this text, so make sure to select a font that can stand out more. I'm going to go with this font, and you can select a cool text effect from these. I like this yellow color gradient effect, so I'm going to use it. Now, if you go to this animation tab, you can see that we have hundreds of text animation templates, so check these and select a suitable text sliding animation. I don't recommend using fancy animations, just a simple animation like this would be okay. Now, I'm going to go to the media and add one of the video clips we generated using VO3, and let's add this to here. This tool has a cool feature which you can use to find any copyright-free stock videos. You just need to go to this stock media and search for the video you want. In this case, I'm just going to search Russia. Now, we have all the relevant video clips for this keywords. I would prefer to have video clip of a map of Russia. I think this would be good, so let's add it here. Now, for the next part, I'm going to add some AI videos, and you can mix those with necessary stock videos as well. Or you can just use AI videos. Make it more engaging, like a story, rather than just someone explaining a book. So, after this part, I'm going to add the video of scientists. And for this specific part, I won't add the voiceover, and after this scene, the voiceover will start. Just like this, you need to add all the video clips in the correct order. If you go to this transition option, you can see that this tool has a lot of cool transitions. I'm going to add these between clips. It will make your video more interesting. Just drag and drop these transitions between these clips if you want to add filters to this video. Just go to this filter option, and you can see that there are tons of filters available. This is up to you. You can use any of these filters on your videos. Let me show you a cool feature. If you click this small icon that says film or a copilot, you will get this chat box. This is an AI copilot. You can ask anything about this tool, or if you want to know how to do a specific task, just ask. This will provide you with all the guidance. Now let's go to the sounds. You need to add suitable sounds for some places. As an example, if we can add a shattering glass sound to this moment, it would be better. You can use this AI sound effect feature to generate any sound effects for your video. You just need to type the sound you want and generate it. Just like this, you can generate all the sound effects and use those in your video. Finally, you can add background music to this video by going to this music feature, which includes music tracks related to all the categories. So, I'm just going to go with the horror category. Check these music tracks and select the one you prefer. They also have AI music feature. You just need to go to the AI music and select these categories, which are the mood, theme, and genre. Then you can make AI generated music for your video. It's really simple. After everything is done, you can click the export button and export the full video. As I mentioned earlier, this tool is an all-in-one AI tool, and you will see this thumbnail tool here. Click the edit button and you will come to this page. Now you can select any frame of your video to use as a thumbnail. I'm going to select this frame. Now click this edit button again, and you will come to this page. As you can see here, they have provided several categories and styles. You can use these templates as well. I'm just going to add a text layer to this and edit the text layer to stand out more using these settings. It's similar to before, so just like this, you can complete your whole video creation process using this one video editing tool. Before showing the final results, let me show you another cool feature. If you can't invest in VO3 because it's a little bit expensive, Filmora 14 has this feature, where your script can turn into a video. You can use this feature for categories like motivational videos and explainer videos. Let me show you how to do that. Go to this AI toolbox and select the AI text to video feature. Now you can add your video script here. This is a video script of a motivational video I created. Then you can select your language then. You need to select an AI voice to narrate this video. And finally, select the preferred size for your video, and that's all. Filmora will generate a full video for this specific script. It's super easy and very helpful. Now let's see the final output.
It was 1:23 a.m. when the Earth held its breath. A flash of light, a shockwave that shattered windows miles away, and in the heart of Soviet Ukraine, an invisible monster was born. Silent, radioactive, and merciless. This is the true story of the Chernobyl disaster. Not just the headlines, not the sanitized reports, but a minute-by-minute unraveling of one of the most terrifying nights in human history.
All right, let's begin the safety test.
All systems nominal. Proceeding with sequence.
April 26, 1986, wasn't just a nuclear accident. It was a chain reaction of denial, desperation, and disaster that changed the world forever.
What's that reading?
It's holding steady. Looks like we're ready for the test.
What really happened that night? Who knew what, and when, and how close did we come to wiping out half of Europe?
And I hope you guys learned some valuable information from this video, so I will see you in the next video.